YouTube, welcome, man. You know it's your boy Click, then you're tuning into Click React. Today I'll be looking at the we spent 100,000 euros on MrBeast's credit card, and this is a video from Chunkz, and it's featuring IShowSpeed. Guys, if you know him, you know that there's nothing that he does that's calm or chill. It's all crazy. So I expect to see some madness, and I mean, with that figure of spending on somebody's credit card, that's the black card, right? Yes, sir. So guys, if you guys are new to the channel, man, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on post notifications and help me with the likes, man. Drop a like. You know what I'm saying? And let me know what you think about this. What would you do? I mean, obviously, it's hard to imagine. I don't have any credit card with that limit, but what would you do if somebody pranked you that way or spent that kind of money on your credit card? You know what I mean? Worse, at least we can say for MrBeast, he can manage that type of, amount on his card. But just imagine somebody did that to you. I don't think that's a prank, man. I think you're trying to go to jail. You know what I'm saying? But guys, we're just going to get right into it. I'll see you guys later, man. Peace.
Hey, you saying you don't have an invite? You saying you don't have an invite?
No, would you get out if I gave you my debit card?
Wait, and it works?
Yeah, of course.
Oh no, I swear to God, now I'm tempted. Oh my God.
If he gets out right now, I'll let him have my card for the day.
Black.
Genuinely, bro.
Sure, I don't care. I can take the viral video back.
Deal.
Deal?
Deal.
Okay. I'll give you my card if you take your hand off. Yep. Oh my God!
Damn.
Really, bro?
Black cards work anyway.
But you're not competing anymore. I'm sorry, man.
Let's go shopping. Let's go shopping. I find something.
Yo. Man said he stole a credit card to get OnlyFans.
I've pulled up Harrods now. Let's go. Absolutely rinse this guy's card. The first stop is Gucci. These are my boys. We're about to fuck shit up. I speed. We have.
Nah, he ain't wearing that. He needs Yeezy boost.
Unlimited money. We're gonna just kill shit. Speed, what are you feeling like, bro? Shoes first, like. Get some shoes. Alright, okay. Oh, this is amazing. Alright, so right now.
Some of those shoes, I don't give a fuck what nobody says, man.
But you know what it is?
Designer,
ugly.
ugly.
I wanna buy shit. I don't wanna buy with my own money.
Exactly, bro. Like MrBeast, bro, you're just a fucking dumbass. Bro, to be honest, man. But I love you, though, MrBeast. Love you, Jimmy.
To be fair, bro.
And Jimmy.
I don't love you until it works.
Yeah,
you haven't even tried it yet.
Yo, can you imagine they racked up all that shit on the card and then they have to cash out and get embarrassed?
iPhone 14, baby.
Really?
Yeah, you wanna get a new one? I'll buy you one right now. Alright, so they pull out some options. What do you think, Speed?
No way, that's an iPhone 14, bro. No way.
In the US, that's like 1,500.
Yeah.
That track top is fresh though. I wouldn't wear it, but it's fresh.
Shoes, baby.
I don't think it's my style. It's too loud.
I'm liking this jumper.
I like plain stuff, you know what I'm saying?
I'm liking this jumper.
That one's
Speed,
clean.
what do you think about this jumper?
Why is he calling it a jumper?
Let me see. God, it just feels so
What are you
good.
doing? This guy doing? What are you doing? I said the jump. What do you want to jump?
Yo, Speed is
I feel
different.
good on him, bro. Like, Chunkz is actually a pretty guy, you know? Like, once you actually look at him, he's like a fake
Once
teddy
you
bear.
actually look at him, what does that mean?
Yeah, you're such a strange you, brother.
MrBeast, this is the moment of truth, bro. 1,600 pounds equals about 1,900 USD.
That's how you guys play at a Gucci store?
It looks like it went through.
Yeah, that's an ugly ass blazer.
Jimmy!
We're gonna kill it.
Are you dumb? Like, you know what I'm about to do? I'm about to stick it on my ass, too, bro. It's messed up.
Jimmy don't messed up. Jimmy don't messed up.
It works, Jimmy. It works.
I guess that's their American accent.
Balenciaga.
Okay, so these guys didn't go buy stuff to give back to the needy. They bought beer designer.
Give me a sweater, bro. Like, you know what?
That sweater fire, but too branded.
Already?
I mean, I'm black. Let's go for the black.
Alright, let's say.
That is the stupidest.
Free money. What life are we living?
Honestly.
This is crazy.
I wonder if the money that they made off of the video actually comes back to the amount of the 100K that they say they spent. You fucking idiot.
You told me to, bro. He don't.
Can you? That is it, do it.
No, right now.
Yo,
Do your best.
it's actually so crazy for Speed, yo.
Bruv, I literally just
Literally. My boy said Italy.
tasted like fucking, lion ass. Like, I don't fucking get it.
Let's
Like,
think he went
days.
to African.
That is horrible. I'm gonna do American.
Alright.
So my name's Speed, and I'm just in Balenciagas right now. Is that bad?
That's great. Sounds just
My
like
American
Speed.
accent is better than his London accent.
100%.
American accent is easy.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah.
£3,005.
Wait, what the f?
A Balenciaga.
That's how you play Muslim? Like this?
Do this, huh?
Like, what do you say after?
Allah.
Allah Akbar. Alright.
You know, I'm gonna give you a Muslim name. Yeah, shout Muhammad Ahmed.
What's it?
Salam
How
alaikum.
do you do that?
Salam alaikum. What the?
How do you do that
Say
shit?
salam alaikum.
Yo, this guy's stupid, bro.
Salam alaikum.
Oh my god.
Ready, yeah? Yeah.
I mean, you already know it's working, right? It's been slapping.
Yeah, you're good.
Yeah, you're good. Yeah, you're good.
MrBeast put it in me.
Let's go. MrBeast, I love you.
I mean,
What are we saying, guys?
you could have had a jet.
Nice? I think you look amazing.
This is my life.
Okay. So what they did, they started low at the other stores and they just started going crazy.
I'll be honest. This one, I'm predicting it's gonna decline this one. What do you think?
It would just be so embarrassing. Yo, so how do they know that this is not a stolen credit card? You know what I'm saying? I'm a little confused. This guy said $4K $9,000. What is this?
I'll be honest with you. Me and Speed are enjoying life.
Fucking thousands of dollars just throwing it in.
Is that a Mary?
It's fucking crazy, bro. Blessings.
The Mary Pop has to go hard.
Allahu Akbar. There you go. I told him I'm putting them on.
This guy's so
Say-
stupid.
No, you may say, you say Alhamdulillah.
I'm that
Who's that? Say Al, Ham,
A man said,
La.
Alhamdulillah.
do Lila. The man said, who's that?
What's the bill, bro?
5,200.
I'm not gonna lie.
What the hell? This one look good. I don't know this one.
I'm God. Yeah, I feel no energy in it, bro.
I feel no energy in it. My nigga, it's a black card. Look how much stuff they got already, right?
Yeah.
How the fuck are they gonna add it up to 100K? Like, I'm actually so confused.
It's too good to be true, bro. What is going on, bro? All right, so look, I want earrings. My man's over here.
I need some bracelets.
Some bracelets with diamonds.
BBS.
This one blinging though. God damn. How much is it going? 38,100.
Oh,
38,000.
no.
How much they, bro?
I like to. 38 grand.
Yeah, what the fuck? He's laughing and shit. That's 40K. 13? Yeah.
That's 13.
Bro, it looks beautiful.
Why is Speed acting like he's not making
Bro.
bare money, bro?
I think me and Speed are starting to doubt it, but
Yeah, we're.
I don't think it's gonna work. To be fair, we've had a good time. It's been a good run. It's been a good run.
It's not gonna work.
Yeah, good.
Dude, no, bro. Bro, call it
Wow.
chill, bro. Nah, this don't seem right, bro. It don't seem right, bro. No, don't get happy. Don't get happy. I'm just shocked. Yeah, me too. Like, yo, he's laughing. He thinks this is a game, bro.
All right, I think
Yo,
it needs to be that.
that's actually
Yeah, we
fucked, bro.
overdid it, bro. I'm not
They didn't,
gonna-
yeah,
Even
exactly.
though MrBeast said spend it until it stops working.
Yeah, I think we overdid it with this one.
Until it stops working.
We'll send it back.
It's a black card. How does that stop
Spend
working?
it until it stops working, and it's still working, and we've stopped. So we're the nice guys.
Yeah.
Hi guys, I'll be honest. Me and Speed were
I'm
done.
shocked, bro.
We told MrBeast, bro, we spent 40,000. We felt
Damn
bad.
near 50 now. So
50.
we spent 50 racks.
We felt bad. We said to MrBeast, sorry. We spent. What did he say, bro?
Spend more. What the f is wrong with you, boy?
Bro, MrBeast is
What is
genuinely,
wrong with you?
What is going on with this man's hair, bro?
genuinely the craziest guy I've ever met in my life. I think Speed's getting it back for his
Man's
money.
rich, bro.
It's got-
Soft.
We don't know what to do anymore.
He's
Mr.
buying a
Beast,
handbag?
genuine guy. One of the best. Mr. Beast,
Listen,
here we go.
MrBeast, genuinely, all jokes aside, thank you so
Yeah,
much.
seriously,
This
yeah.
is actually crazy.
Like, no bullshit. Mr. Beast, we thank you, bro. Like, honestly, like, this, seriously, bro. Like, it's a blessing, bro.
And there you have it, guys. Listen, we have spent up the racks. But you know what? It's got to a point where I'm actually
Go buy a
bored,
car.
and we're done with this.
Oh, God.
Bro,
Hey,
I'm
literally bored, bro.
I don't know how we managed to do
Oh,
this.
my
Go get a
days.
car. Go get a
Listen,
car.
Speed has to go back to America. You know what? We've decided that we're going to give away more money.
And it's all thanks to Mr. Beast,
That's
bro.
so crazy, bro.
Mr. Beast, we love you, man.
So crazy.
Matter of fact, Mr. Beast, put your lips right here.
Yeah, Speed, man,
I'm
he be
this
the
is a side
ODing
clip
with this
now,
shit.
yeah? The car didn't stop working, so I just come to the jewelers. This cost, how much does it cost? 28,000 pounds, yeah? Let's see if this works.
Now it makes sense. Now it makes sense that they racked it up that much. Jewelry, I get it, but if it was just gear, that would be so much stuff they had to buy.
Hey!
So you can buy another one.
Come on, congratulations. Big Chunkz in the building.
MrBeast, you're sick in the head. Why are you giving me this? Oh my god.
No one man should have all of that power.
Love. Well, listen, MrBeast said spend it until it declines. You'll probably think, why do I have a protector on my wrist? Yeah, because I'm going to go for it. How much is it, did you say?
65 bands.
Run out. If 65 bands works,
Right now.
I'm going to vomit. Be right back. 65 jibs, yeah?
If I was buying a Protect, I wouldn't buy that one.
Alright, 65 jibs, that one declined. We got too excited, we got too comfortable. Run me for our next 30.
Alright, cool.
Run me for our next 30 jibs.
There might be a transaction limit.
Yeah, I know. Alright, cool. Run me for 15 jibs.
15, yeah?
Yeah, that's a fucking word.
Yep, my 45 grand. Run it for another 15.
On the next 10. What are you doing now? 15?
Another 15.
Yeah, okay. Transaction
So
limits
45,
make sense.
we're in 45 now.
We're in 45. 45 went through.
That's kind of crazy.
That necklace is paid off.
Insufficient funds.
Ah, okay.
And there you have it, guys. We've got £45,000 to play with inside a jewelers.
That's crazy.
Now listen guys, although MrBeast's card finally declined on that last purchase, I still wanted to give back to you guys. So I gathered some of my subscribers and told them to meet me at Nando's.
Now listen, I said to you guys, I'm going to go meet some of my subscribers.
That's
what
lit.
they don't know is I'm going to come in there and surprise them. Because I just told them I'm coming to meet them, little meet and greet and chill with them. But what they don't know is I'm about to give them £1,000 each. Let's go in there.
That is really nice. That's really cool, man. Day one subs. Always good, man.
Yeah, I'm real, bro.
Let's say you're real.
Do you guys know why I brought you here? No. Obviously, I want to give back to you guys. You know, I've been supporting for a long time. So,
Super cool when you're in a
I've
position to be
decided
able
to
to do
give
this.
everyone here £1,000. Why not? And the only thing is, I'll be honest, I'm filming a video with MrBeast, and he gave me a lot of money, so I thought, you know what? Let me not keep all of it. Let me give back to my people.
He gave you a lot of money.
I want to say thank you to MrBeast because you made it possible. It was not right for me to keep the money. I might as well give it back to my people as well.
I was about to say.
MrBeast, you're a legend, man. Thank you so much. Make some noise if you're a fan of Nicholas Olave.
I mean, for $1,000, they'll be a fan of him
That was a
too.
bit louder than my one. I'll be on Nicholas there. That's all the money I'm gonna give to the fans. They deserve even more, but this is all I have on me right now. So, and who knows? I might even be doing this again. So, if you guys want to see it, let me know in the comments down below. Make sure you.
I think the fact that he gave back money out of it is super cool. You know what I mean? It's always good to be able to be in a position to give back to people that have been supporting you since day one. So, guys, don't forget to drop a like, hit that subscribe button, man. Turn on post notifications. I'll see you later, man.